When and how Persian, Greek, and Roman civilizations were formed. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce the three important civilizations: Persian civilization, Roman civilization, and Greek civilization. When these civilizations were formed and how these civilizations were formed. This is the topic of our today's lecture. यानी आज की वीडियो के अंदर हम इन तीन सिविलाइजेशनों को डिस्कस करेंगे कि ये कब और कैसे इनका क़याम जो है अमल में आया. So first of all, we will discuss when and how Persian civilization was formed. Dear students, Persian's empire began to be formed around 550 BCE. Persian Empire's foundation was laid by Cyrus the Great, as we have discussed in our previous class. यानी जो पर्शियन सिविलाइजेशन है या पर्शियन एम्पायर है उसकी फॉर्मेशन हमें अराउंड 550 BCE के करीब नज़र आती है, और साइरस द ग्रेट को क्रेडिट दिया जाता है इस एम्पायर की इस्टेब्लिशमेंट के लिए. दिस एम्पायर was highly credited for his acknowledgement for the other people who were conquered by the Persians. It was also revered among the historians as the empire which promoted toleration, which promoted pluralistic values at that time. This empire never forced anyone to accept its ideology, its religion, and its traditions. In addition to this, this civilization, this empire made significant contributions in the field of art, architecture, music, and literature as well. Now we will discuss the Greek civilization, the Greek Empire. This empire was established around 8th century BCE. It is said in the history that the Greek civilization or Greek Empire reached to the heights of glory under Alexander the Great. He was the only ruler in the history of Greek civilization who made this civilization as the greatest civilizations of all at that time as compared to the other civilizations. This civilization also made significant contributions in the field of art, literature, philosophy, theology, and many other subjects were flourished under Greek civilization. In addition to this, the famous philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle belonged to this civilization. They developed new ideas which later on left a deep impact on the Western civilization, on the Western political thought. Now we will be discussing Roman civilization. Dear student, Roman civilization, or you can say the Roman Empire, began around 753 BCE. Initially, the Roman civilization started as a city-state in Italy, but later on the city Rome developed into a kind of a Roman Empire. So this is what we exactly get information regarding the formation of Roman civilizations. There were different rulers who ascended the throne, and they made significant contributions. Like they are very famous for their architectural achievements such as Pantheon, Colosseum, aqueducts. So in this regard, we can say that these three ancient civilizations are very much important in every aspect, like expansionism, like politics, like literature, and many other things have contributed a lot in the establishment, in the formation of these civilizations. So with this, we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.